This 2-in-1 Amaxxo machine reliably turns everything from juice to cocktail mixes into smooth slushies or soft-serve style treats without needing separate appliances. The generous 88-ounce capacity is well suited for family movie nights or small gatherings, so you can serve multiple people without constant refilling. Its preset programs and adjustable thickness settings make it easy to dial in anything from spoonable ice cream to sippable frozen drinks with very little trial and error. Built-in self-cleaning plus dishwasher-safe removable parts keep maintenance surprisingly simple, which encourages using it often instead of letting it collect dust. The design handles typical home entertaining well, producing consistent frozen margaritas, frappes, and milkshakes in a reasonable amount of time once chilled. Clear guidance on sugar and alcohol levels helps you avoid icy or slushy failures, making it easier for beginners to get bar-like results at home.